Hello, students! Are you ready for a lesson today? It's English time! Welcome to my class! Today's learning objective, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to supply the words or expressions that complete an analogy. For you to be globally competitive, you need to have the knowledge to speak correct English in real situations like job interviews, conversation with clients and superiors. But first, let us watch and sing along with the analogy song.
Learning upgrade.
You're asking me, what is an analogy? It's a relationship between two words. Red is to stop, as is. Green is to what? At a red light, you stop. At a green light, you go. Tall is to short, as is. Big is to what? The opposite of tall is short. The opposite of big is small. 3 is to 6, as is. 4 is to what? 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Now you see, what is an analogy? It's a relationship between two words.
I hope you got something from the analogy song. So now, let us find out what you already know. Catriona Gray, beauty queen. Casey Tantingan, what's the word? Singer. Correct. Ice cream is too cold, as coffee is too what? What's the word? Hot. That is easy, right? You got it? Yes. Face is to mask, as hand is to what's the word? Glove, exactly. What is analogy? Analogy shows the relationship between two words. The purpose of analogy is not just to show, but also to explain. Analogies may enable one to learn new words by recognizing the relationship between words. By knowing this relationship, new idea is introduced through a familiar comparison, thus making the new concept easier to grasp. Analogy always contains two pairs of words. What can analogy do to us? Analogy helps us develop critical thinking. These are the strategies for solving analogy. Read the analogy slowly and concentrate on the words. Look for the relationship between pairs of words. How are they similar? How are they different? What is the connection between them? Now, let's consider this example. Excited is to bored as high is to low. This can also be written as excited. For is to, we have colon, bored. For as, we have double colon, high. Another colon for is to, low. Again, how would you read this? Excited is to bored as high is to low. If you notice, they are different in terms of meaning. The relationship of each pair is excited means the opposite of bored, just like high means the opposite of low. They should have the same relationship. Their relationship is antonymous, or they are antonyms, which means having different meaning. Let's try another example. Seed is the fruit as petal is the flower. Now try to concentrate on the words. What is the relationship of seed to fruit, the first pair, and petal to flower, the second pair? Can you identify the relationships shown? Seed is the fruit as petal is the flower. Have you thought of it? Come on, try. The relationship of each pair is seed is a part of a fruit, part whole, while petal is a part of a flower, part whole. Now try to solve this one. Cat is the kitten, as goat is to. That's the young kid. That's the young of goat. You call it kid. Cat is the kitten as goat is the kid. A cat's young one is a kitten, so a goat's young one is a kid. Correct? That's correct. What are the basic types of analogy? Number 1, synonymous relationship. This relationship is established between two words that have the same meaning. Examples: connect is to join, as depart is to leave. Loyal is to faithful, as real is to genuine. Value is to worth, as writer is to offer. Number 2, antonymous relationship, antonyms. This relationship is established between two words opposite to each other in terms of meaning. Cowardly is to brave, as foolish is to wise. Broken is to repaired, as selfish is to generous. Near is to far, as gloomy is to cheerful. Number 3, part to whole relationship. This relationship is established when one word of a pair is a part of the other word, as a whole. Examples: finger is to hand, as toe is to foot. Battery is the flashlight, as hard drive is the computer. Buckle is the belt, as strap is the bag. Number 4, characteristics relationship. This relationship comprises description of items. Examples: candy is too sweet as fire is too hot. Eagle is the predator as vulture is the scavenger. Adult is too matured as child is too innocent. Number 5, function relationship. This relationship shows what a certain object is for. Examples: shovel is to dig as fork is to eat. Truck is to transport as oven is to cook. Heart is circulatory as brain is to nervous. Number 6, cause and effect relationship. This relationship is established when one word is the source of the action and the other word is the result or consequence. Examples: careless is the accident as careful is the safety. Study is to graduate as practice is to mastery. Unemployment is to poverty as deforestation is to flood. Be reminded that these aren't the only types of analogy. Now, it's time for your thinking check. Identify the missing words to complete the analogy. Write the letter of your answer. Now go get your pen and paper. Because you have 10 seconds for each item, we have 5 items. Are you ready? Let's start! Ring is the finger. Number 2, earthquake is to tsunami as cavity is to. Number 3, frugal is to practical as generous is to. Number 4, leopard is to spots as zebra is to. And number 5, aklan is to Boracay as Bohol is to. So here are the correct answers. Number 1, B. Number 2, C. Toothache. Number 3, C. Giving. Number 4, A. Stripes. Number 5, B. Chocolate Hills. If you got all the 5 correct answers, then you did a great job. As I tell you, analogies help us to think critically. This means that they help us study situations in life, make valid conclusions, form sound decisions, and even solve problems. So make a habit of answering analogy. Now, these are the tips that will help you widen your vocabulary. Make the habit of reading English books and look for the unfamiliar words in the dictionary. Watch wholesome TV programs in the English language. Listen with understanding while doing your English online class. You should have the sense of responsibility to do it in order to attain your goal for your studies. Always remember this saying: what we learn becomes part of who we are. I hope you had a wonderful time. See you next time. Bye!